I want to use this opportunity to say a big congratulations to Nmiri Eweilo Okalaku. No fever kai madara wona ndi niile no under investigation ya natase. It is a matter of time. Yes. Then secondly, I am very, very happy and grateful that my point from day one has been explained, that the governor of Anambra State is not fighting on the ordinary. The government of Anambra State is not in any way fighting on the ordinary. That is to tell you that the return of Nmiri Eweilo has proven a point which I always point out. Now, governor, more the government of Anambra State are fighting the ordinary. I made my last video concerning this issue, and I said, there were so many ordinary activities and Anambra State. They are not being disturbed by the government. The government is just trying to fish out the bad eggs same way. Ni more ordinary. The government see no bulu na enyocha anyị obo na aka idi ocha never onwere anything onwere mana the opposition people nya ndị achọrọ ọganiru Anambra is just pushing the narrative na governor na fight ndị ordinary. Onwere mgbe governor ji fight ndị ordinary. That is what I want to make clear. Onwere mgbe governor ji fight ndị ordinary. Onwere mgbe government ji fight ndị ordinary. The government belongs to ndị ordinary and ndị ụka. Most of the people in the government will not ordinary. Most of them will not. So, onwere buy any justification to fight in the ordinary. So, even na one the ordinary, nandi omenana, traditional worshippers, the government of Anambra State is not fighting you. Mgbe governor anara emeali concerning this particular issue suna agayalin. Akpolo governor no. Mgbe bido meyaliwa alu akpụrụ governor n'ọnụ mana the only thing iji akpụ governor n'ọnụ abụrụ iwe ọzọ is because na renga na-egbuke ịghọtago ingoliment. The only reason iji akpụrụ governor n'ọnụ abụrụ iwe ọzọ because o metụtabela onye nke yi. Ọ bụrụ na insecurity problem a na-enwe na Anambra State emetụgo onye nke yi, my dear, you understand the reason why you should support the government to fight insecurity. Igbo onye ọchịchị adịrị easy. It is as simple as that. If you see something, you say something. Onwere onye na fight ndị ordinary. The government is not fighting ndị ordinary. I told you people about how I went to Igwaro, ndị Okuzu Ibilibo Ogada. They were doing their thing. Government did not harass anybody, did not abuse anybody there. I went to Egunnam in Ugben. Government did not harass anybody or abuse anybody. I went to Owako for their cultural festival. Government did not. Ezen Regularo. Government did not abuse anybody in the Egwaro Igbo of Ezenre. The government is doing their work to ensure the safety of citizens. Una allows na ndị achọrọ ọganiru dị na Anambra to come and bring enmity or to come and kabaya sad the mind. I thank the governor because he has to work to put a good record, a good legacy for his tenure. As long as I'm concerned, Soludo nwere an opposition. Soludo nwere opposition. Now, all in akwadi puta governor this time around, Chinwa wele go je choi yalo. Je choi je go ume. Neuzo niile. Look at the government house. Look at the recreational facility. Look at hospital. Look at the education. Look at how works are going around. Already given in a Soludo ne dozi na Anambra State. Manime obodo. Ejemu Ogbako. Side omunze ufuma. Wee baba pandre igaweche umuchukwu. Wee baba n'ime ebe ahụ. Esimu Amansi Junction wee jebe DJ with CEO Rocklink. Ogbako. Okuya. the village. I went there and I was surprised. Now Governor Lugide Uzo Banata Abemwadi. Even as deep as those villages are. It wasn't no gay election loan and that through Soludo. Go to Uwen. Go to Ebenebe. Go to Abo family. Go to Uwen. Go to Amansi. Kemakifite Road. And so many on. Nanre Bani, Omwebe Governor Lolani. Nanre Bani, Omwebe Soludo Lolani Mfulanya. Mana ndolu golalo kanji ekulie. Ndolu golalo kanji ekunyelie. When I talk and one ordinary, who creates an enmity between the government and you people. I want to assure you that the government is not fighting the ordinary. The government is not fighting the omenana. The government is for all of us, for the betterment of all of us. That is what I mean. I am not explaining to you. I am creating content on my page for content purpose and to make money. I am not explaining to you. I don't owe you any explanation. The more you comment on my video, the more money I make. But I'm trying to correct your reasoning. That the government ain't got time for you. They are busy creating a legacy that will stand the test of time. Building bridges, building road, connecting to the center. Like when you connect to the center, you'll be able to put a request. The president accept one, analyze and accept one. What they go for that? Let us support the governor. I'm not the whole people will not support the governor. But let the learned, like I said, Honorable Minister of War Kuku will say, now the people that are not supporting the current government of Anambra State are people that are looking for their belly. Because now Ochichi Soludo favorite, enyere appointment, mo enyere contract, mo no nwere iwi nwete. Ine ekwuto, ine akoto the government. Ine ekwu against the government. Mananya wuluba no favor, ine wu commissioner mo ni wu an appointee. That is when you will come out to talk good things about the government. So even now, why I don't think I am jobless. Being a content creator, a blogger on Facebook with a Facebook profile account that was opened in 2008 has given me opportunity to earn money. Content monetization. So don't think it's jobless. The video I'm doing it for resourceful purpose. So ma wuni feeling and the jobless. Ma wuni feeling and the jobless. I do not care. Anything that happens, I bring out my time to analyze it, post it as a content on my page and collect my money. Booah!